Good afternoon. Welcome, and I hope you all have a pleasant journey today. Our names are Vanessa Tiri Ramirez
and Tania Elizabeth Mendez Sanchez.
We are going to talk about the importance of innovative ideas. We like to explain how the companies with innovative ideas are the most successful. In today's presentation, we hope to cover 3 points. Firstly, the definition of innovation. After that, we will look at the characteristics of the innovative products, and finally, I'll explain the 5 rules for business innovation.
Let's start by looking at the definition of innovation. The term innovation refers to the change, introduce anything new or more. When someone applies innovate, new ideas, product, concept, service, and practice a particular action, activity, or business intended to be useful for increased productivity.
The innovation talks about a novelty in the business world. It's very important because it is an element to be taken into account to be successful. Innovation is from improving a product or introduce a completely new and different product. The success of company depends strongly on the degree of innovation that are taken into their products.
Now, let's move to the characteristic of innovation products. The most important characteristic of a product that is 100% art is have to be something original. It is something principal. Standard calls the innovating name because it is something new that has not been created before and it helps in the use of a person.
If you want to sell, must be something that catches the attention of people, which use it daily so that when viewing your product look interesting. Remember to have a very good publicity will innovate product that it's not always needs help in a very good publicity. Give your product a certain amount of people that use it, whether insurance, if they like you mention your friends or college over. Moving on the next section, let's take a look at the 5 rules for business innovation. The first one is dialogue with customers. In this sense, the customer can be the most valuable to identify immediate opportunities for improvements and change in both the products and the service channel. The habit of listening with empathy and without prejudice is a key element in companies to create product. The second is internal customers. To innovate, we care for employers and partners. They need to be well trained and trained. Only then will come to have commitment and loyalty, but with their work and with the company. And the third is to err is not fail. To innovate is inevitable mistakes. Those aspiring to innovate should not be paralyzed by the fear of failure. On the contrary, that word should be replaced by the notion of learning and must maintain a positive, constructive attitude face obstacles.
Innovation is not usually seen as a result of a work process. Rather, it's an association with a spontaneous invention, product of altered data. But innovation requires effort and perseverance. It's a result of habit and discipline to stay alert and flexible to change that surround us is daily. Think with others. Two heads are better than one. It's a traditional saying that applies very well when it comes to innovation. When we work as a team, we sincerely insert an attention to ideas of all its members, to change of discovery new routes and ways for doing things
Things
that
are changing. That brings us to the end of the final session. Finally, I'd like to end by thanking you all for coming today.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Bye.